This video walks you through disassembling the check valves of the hygienic QUANTM line of pumps. There are no tools required for this procedure. Follow the steps in the Prepare Equipment for Repair section of the manual. Disconnect the power. On the outlet manifold, remove all clamps. Remove the outlet manifold, O-rings, seats, and balls. On the inlet manifold, remove all clamps. Remove the inlet manifold, O-rings, seats, and balls. Clean and inspect parts for wear or damage. Replace as necessary. If you're following this video as part of repairing a pump diaphragm, follow the applicable diaphragm disassembly video. Otherwise, follow the check valve reassembly video.